This day's been a bummer. It's freaking 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's too late to go up there to my other job. I had some other stuff I was doing today. Not even sure what I'd done today, really, but I ain't got a whole lot of time left, so I'm just gonna of my day. So I'm just gonna try to put this cylinder back together, and maybe I can explain a little bit of that to you guys. I'm gonna Spain it. Okay, this here's the piston. It's real easy to fix, to redo. So let me clean off a little spot over there and put a couple of rags down on my workbench, and we'll work on it here in a minute. Okay, got my light here. Get you set up here. Okay, fellas and ladies and gentlemen, this is the piston now, that skid loader I got out there, cylinder. We got to get down in here. Try to get this out of here without scratching this piston too bad. And without poking my hand. This is just like a big old O-ring kinda. There, now I got underneath it. Like a big old O-ring. Come off, little fella. Come off, come off. There she come. Finally. Alright, that's coming off that one. This is the back side, this is the front side. Boys. It's got a little bit of wear on it right there. Looks like someone might have had it in backwards one day. This is the ring. Okay, that's the only two pieces that goes to this one. Now I'm gonna get this cleaned up real good. It's pretty clean though. I'm gonna get me another rag and wipe that down real good. All these scratches here is where that pipe hits. This, you know what? I think they had this in backwards. I know they did. So whoever put this together last time put it in backwards, because this goes in the other side. The dummies. They had it in backwards. I know they had it in backwards. So I'm surprised it worked. God. Alright, I got my seals up here. I thought I had them up here. These cost me $65 to do this cylinder. I think it was $65, but I got two sets of everything, so I got a little extra. You got something extra. This is the other set, and this one. Not sure what the hell's going on, y'all. Okay. This goes here. It goes on like this, fellas. Oh, I should have greased that a little bit. Yeah, it don't matter. Probably should have, though. That one goes in there. Uh-huh. Well, come on. This one is this one. It's made a little different, but it's the same thing. It goes either way, little fella. It goes on here. I think I'm gonna get me some oil put on that. Earl Pitts American. I'm gonna turn you guys off for a second, but you won't know it. I'll be right back. I want to grab some oil so I can put on these seals. Okay, I got me some hydraulic oil in this peanut jar. I'm gonna put some in this. Put this in some hydraulic fluid so it's slippery and it'll slide on a little better. Kind of like putting a tire on. Oh, damn it. Landing on some plastic. She's on, boys. It slipped on and slipped off. There, that'll be alright. I got that oil all over everything now. Okay, that piece is done. These are the old ones. We don't want them hanging around. I should have kept them though. Okay, the piston is done. And they put that on backwards, I think. It might be where the nut rubbed it. Yeah, it's horrible. No? They had it on backwards. Because the nut goes back here. The fools. I know they had it on backwards. Oh no. Maybe that's that way. That washer, that thing goes in there. Yeah. Okay. Nah, maybe it was on right. After I look at this side. Okay, now I'm bringing the cap. I got the cap here. I call this the cap because that's what it is to me. It looks like a cap. I'd say it's a cap. I got to get something for my hands. Got transmission fluid all over this rag from Joe's truck. That's alright though, it'd be good to clean stuff with. We already took the seal out of the front here. I may have to go over here to my air compressor and blow this all out real good and clean it. Let's finish taking out the... Yeah, this one here goes in the front right here. This one here go on there, right in there. With this slide part on the front in front of it. It goes right there. It's not really a slide, it's a seal that holds it. It don't slide, this don't, but then the hard part is to get this baby in there, inside here in the middle. But we got a special tool to use for this. I'll show you guys. That's sweet. Okay. We're going to use all this on this one and that'll be done. Where's my other stuff? I've got another kit here for the other, if I ever need it, if any of my cylinders leak on that machine, I got a kit here I'm going to have in this plastic bag. That'll be ready to go. I need to write on there what this is. It's a sandwich. I mean, you're right on here what these seals are for. Put them in my parts box, toolbox. I got a toolbox over here I use for parts. I need to go through it because some of this stuff I'm never going to use. I need to put stuff like this in there. Okay, let's finish. Let's take this apart real fast. O-ring. This is my new one. It's got to go in here. Put those over here, all the new stuff. That was easy. Oh no, there's another piece. There's another piece, God dang it. Don't you know? There we go. What was leaking on this was the seal I'm getting ready to take out right now. This seal in here blowed. See, it's just falling apart. There's a little O-ring that came off of it. Gotta look down in here. Looked like somebody tried to fix it with an O-ring. You crazy people. Let me see this new one. Huh. Okay, I'm gonna see down in this damn thing. See all that down in there? I gotta clean, let me get my poker. I got all that down in there. I gotta clean all this out. So I'll get back even when they get that cleaned out. Because it's too hard to do with the camera and everything. So I'll get back with you when I get that cleaned out and I'm ready to put this back in. This one here goes in there. Okay, let me get back with you here in a minute. I got it pretty clean. It's pretty clean down in there. This front seal could be a little bit better. I don't think it's gonna hurt anything though with this seal, I guess. Hell, I don't know. Let's put this shit together. I'm tired of waiting around for it. Hey, I got a new tool here I'll show you guys. Gotta figure out which one I got here. It's called the Twist, but it's a Hercules tool here. Called a Hercules Seal Products. It's called a Seal Twister. It's got 4 or 5 different sizes in here. But before I put my other one in, I think I got it on video when I put the other one in, but it was a mother. This seal in here is the one I'm talking about. It's this one right here. It's got to go this way. But that's a mother to put in. But we're going to put it in because we got the tool. We got the tool, fool. I think it's this red one. Not sure how to use this exactly, but we're learning as we go. Okay. And then you do something like this. Well, this might not be the right one. No, I think it is. We stick that on there like that. Then, watch this. This is called pretzelizing. I don't remember what it's called. But you gotta get your seal like this. And then I can stick it in. That's the way I need to go, bro. Oh, I let go of it. Uh-oh. Get her down in there. I've never done this. It's my first one. Roll it out like that. Is it going in? Oh yeah, that was way easier. I fought and fought and fought that last time I did this. Sweet. I don't think I need it on the other one. I think I can get it in there with my fingers. Okay. This goes on the back side. Yeah, you know what I did? I just put the old one back on. Damn it. I gotta get these old ones the hell out of here. I think I did. Yeah, I know I did. These are my new ones over here. I can't believe it. I thought, wow, I got so many of them here. Get this sumbitch out of here. There. It's not a stick either because it's wore out. They can get these old ones out of my way. Crazy man there. Cleanliness is godliness with cylinders. Okay, now I'll put the new one on. God. Ouch. Okay, got that one on. And we'll stick this O-ring on. Let's put some oil on this so we don't slice it. I want it kind of greasy a little bit. Wipe some of it off. Alright, let's stick this baby on my fingers. There. Yeah, baby. She's ready to go together. We could put that other one in there, old one, but I don't need it. Okay. Got one more seal. Then we can put this baby together. This one goes this way. It's not that hard to put in with my hand. Oh my gosh, hurt my thumb, hurt my thumb. Should have used my new tool. You in? Son of a monkey. Not quite in yet. Something's going on here. Dang. There it goes. It fit a little tight. They got some glue or something on this one. It fit a little tight in there, but it went finally. She just had to had to mess with it there a little bit to get do what I needed it to do. Alright. Now, we gotta put it back together on the cylinder, so we're gonna go back over here on the floor where my cylinder's laying. This thing saved me a ton of time. It took me an hour to get that one down in there last time. I tied wire ties on it and everything so I could get it the way I looked when I put it in there. But okay, let's go over here to the floor and put this back together. Okay, this ain't the best view in the world. My shop's too damn little and it's too dirty. I wish it was cleaner, but my wish is going to come true one of these days because I'm going to start working on it. I need to clean it. That's all there is to it. Okay, here's my cylinder shaft. My rod, they call them. I got to take this rod and put all my components here I got on it. Which I start out with this one. It goes on first, and see that it goes this way because this is gonna, there's a cap up there on the end of that one, a rod that screws onto here and holds this in. So we just kind of gently push this on here. Looks like I need to put some grease on that side of my gun so I can get it in better, because she ain't wanting to go very easily, boys. May have to stand her up on end. Let me go get a little oil thing. There, I got oil on it now. I didn't oil it a while ago. I must see if I can stick it in here now. Come on. Easy. I don't want to do it wrong now. Come on, baby. Dang. Can't see what I'm looking at here. Okay, I got you. Let's stick it up there like this. Come on. Dang, I can't get to go down on there. Come on, baby. You can do it. The other one don't seem that was that hard. Need a rubber mallet. That's what I need. I don't think I got my rubber mallet. I can't find it. Ain't found it for a while. Let's hit it with a hammer. I'll tap it with a hammer. It's kind of pissing me off. I don't want to tap it too hard though. I'll push down on it. There she goes. Just had to get her started. Oh, she's really wiping the dirt off of her now. Okay, that's got to go all the way to the end. Oh, no, it don't. I just needed to get it in there far enough. That's probably about it. Okay. Then this pipe goes on it. I got to clean that up. That thing is dirty. Okay. Yeah, clean enough. Clean it up right. We can do it again someday if I get dirty enough in there. Alright. Then this thing goes on there. I'm not sure why that's on there. Keep it from going too far, I guess. Because if it goes too far, then it won't work right. Okay, I gotta get my seal kit here. Pretty sure I got the one picked out already in here that I need. I put it down in here in this because I knew which one I wanted. I already knew. Well, maybe that ain't the right one. Maybe it's this one. I had another one down in there. That's it right there, boys. And it goes on here. You can't even see what I'm doing. Let's come on now. You gotta get down here. Okay, get this down in there like this. Actually, let's put it on here. Then we'll shove this on here. There we go. Then it takes this nut. And that's a lock nut. Then I gotta take a air tool to that. Oh, I've already got my socket out, so I just gotta grab my tool. I just do it with this one here, gets it tight enough. And it won't be too tight. I ain't got the specs on how tight it's supposed to be, but so I just use this one. It's what I put my lug nuts on with on my trucks. Tight as it'll go. Okay, make sure I got it all on there. That's it. Ain't a whole lot to these. That ought to do it. Put it in the skid steer. I'll see you out there. Okay. Let's put a little anti-seize on this thing. Guys recording? Hell yeah! Good enough for who it's for. We don't want to jack it up. Okay. gotta try to get it up there in that hole. I'll put a little anti-seize this thing. Oh yeah. Okay. I don't know if I had a washer on there or not. Did it? Bobby? I think it had it on the inside. Can't find that damn washer. Oh, it goes that way. Son of a monkey jungle. Okay. I'll put you guys, we might be looking at the sun here. Yeah, we can do it this way. Where's that thing? Oh, that's that. There it is. Okay, let's see if I can get my... Let's see if I can get this pin in that thing. It's kind of at the top of the screen. That's the best I can do, girls. Dang it, we gotta get it shorter than that. Dang it. We gotta get it in a little deeper. I think that might be it. A little bit more. Might have went too far, damn it. Man, that was a bother. She's a tighty. I thought that went in there. I guess it don't. I guess it goes down here. There we go. It just goes like that. Then I gotta put a clip in over here. I need to find a washer and a snap ring. I'll be back with you when I grab that stuff, if I can find it all. Couldn't find my damn washer. I blame that one on Joseph. Well, I'll just stick it on with this snap ring by itself. I'll have to go get me a washer someday, put up there. Thing's covered in anti-seize. Get this bitch on there. Oh, it went easy. I can't get it off. What the heck? Can't get it out of there. There. I have to keep an eye on that one. I may have to get me a new snap ring. Alright. My little hammer. This thing's might have a little hydraulic fluid in it, I think. I don't know, it's pretty low. I don't have a key to it anyway, so well, that's it. Ow, son of a bitch, I knew I was gonna run into that sooner or later. Lucky I didn't hit it right on the tip. I just bumped my head a little, not hard, on these damn teeth. I just hit it on the soothe part over here though. Thank God. Alright kids. That's all it is fitting that on there. Where's the washer I'm missing? I'll show you on this one. That big washer right there. I gotta get me one like that and fit over here on the other side. All I gotta do now is raise it up a little bit after I put some fluid in it. And then I gotta take this safety device and put it back on the other side, because that's where it goes. So there's a pin on the other side right here. It's got a hole in it right here. See this hole? And it goes around over here. Hey, I found my washer. I'll be dang. I was walking around there. Found the washer. Let's sit that back on there. I can't believe it. It's laying over here on the ground. When we beat that pin out of there, it went to flying. Okay, let me get that back together right. Can't believe I found that washer. I was all done and happy. I gotta work. It'd be better though. Get that washer on there and I can forget about it. Gotta get this back on. Get my little screwdriver. Where'd my grease rag go? Is it up there? Yeah. I'm getting this stuff all over. Gotta wipe my hands off a little bit. Make sure that damn thing's in there all the way. In the groove. I guess it's in there. Alrighty. We're gonna call that good, boys and girls. It worked out better than I thought. We found the washer. So now I just gotta get some fluid and put in it, and then we'll be all done. So that's it on how you put a cylinder, rebuild a cylinder. You'll have to look up the first part somewhere else. I don't know where it is, but probably got something to do with something. I don't know. Ah, dang. Okay, that's what you do with a rebuild a cylinder on a skid loader, an old Gale 4510 gas. It's got a Ford 4-cylinder in it. It's 45 horse, I think is what it is. That's why it's 4510. But she does a pretty good job. She's a pretty good job for me anyway. But that'll be it on this one. Putting my cylinder back on my skid steer. And we'll show you working when I get some fluid and put in it. We'll continue this later. Y'all have a good one. Lord loves a working man. Okay, I'm gonna get in there and try to raise her up a little bit, and we'll try to push this safety device up with a screwdriver from the inside and then lower that boom down. Let me see if I can get in there and do that. Alright. If it'll run. I gotta find my keys. Hang on here for a minute. I gotta go. I think they're in my other truck. Be right back. Alright, I'm gonna fire it up, and if it makes too much of a crazy noise, I'm gonna turn it back off. I gotta get my screwdriver. Okay. Oh man. Hello everybody. Choke between my seat there. Until I get some hydraulic fluid put in it. Whew. Ain't gonna run it no more. Now I'm gonna take this safety deal off here and put it on the other side. I gotta raise my damn cab to do that. Gosh darn it. Let me see if I get that cab up, boys and girls. I'm gonna unhook the battery real fast so I don't short nothing out. I just got it on my hand. If my film goes before you guys get done here, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Baby. Okay, I think it locked. Yeah. Getting her back down might be a pain in the a-hole. I may have to go back in there and grab that crescent. The cab's gonna fall on my head. Are you even looking at what I'm doing? A little bit. Okay, take this to the side. put it on this way so I can take it out if I need to. I think I can do that. Let me see. No, it might be gonna hit my. It might hit the cab, so we better hit the other direction. That's probably why they had it that way. See, and then you take this up here like that, put this pin in it, and then it sits there. I put my nut on there real fast. Get my lock nut. This thing be ready for some oil. Don't give me a 5-gallon bucket of oil. Put in this thing. Get me a 5-gallon bucket of oil. You guys ain't even looking at it, are you? Can't see what you're looking at, boys. Stupid sun. That's good enough. And that one away. That'd be good. Good enough. Alright, that job done. Oh, wait a minute. One more thing. Watch this. Okay, you're on.
Wait, but do I pull it out or
I'll show you again. Look at it. You just need to hold it right there for me. Can you?
And then what
do it
do
right
I
now.
do?
Hold it. When I move it about, you gotta hold it.
I am.
No, it keeps, now it's back in the hole.
Oh.
There you go. When I pull it this way about 2 inches, you can let go.
And let it go back in?
Whatever it wants to do.
Tell me when.
Okay, let go.
Let go?
Let go.
It ain't gonna do nothing.
The little hole there it was in, I can't pull this down while it's in that hole.
Oh.
It's a safety thing.
That's all I had to do? I can go back in now?
There.
I'll go turn that air back on.
Back on.
I mean on. I don't want any on film.
You're on film. Good looking.
I'm ugly.
You can't get ugly. Not in that lavender sexy ass t-shirt. Here, just until I get some oil. Thanks for watching. That'll do it for this one, boys and girls.